Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Today, that is on 25th of July 2021, CMA Institute has officially announced the examination date of CMA Foundation exam of June 2021 cycle. So originally they were supposed to be conducted on June 2021. Later on they announced that they will conduct the exams in July 2021, and now they are rescheduling that CMA Foundation examination to September 5th. So the examination will be conducted on September 5th, which falls on Sunday. Now, how the examination will be conducted? It will be a home-based exam. That means students need not go to any exam center. Right from their home, students can write their exam. Of course, proctor. So that means it is a technology where some invigilators will be monitoring you through web camera. That means you need to sit and write the exam before a computer. So you need to give access of webcam to the proctor, and the software will be monitoring you along with some human beings as invigilators. That means the software will observe whether you are indulging in any unfair means, and around 20 to 30 students will be assigned to be monitored by a invigilator who monitor you through the webcam access. So you must have a computer with webcam facility along with high-speed internet connection. So the examination will be conducted in the form of home-based exam, and students can write this exam either using a mobile phone or using a laptop or a computer. So through any of these devices, you can log in and start writing your exam. Very soon, CMA Institute will send credentials to all of you, through which you can log in and write the examination to be conducted in online mode. Now, the examination will be conducted in two sessions. Morning session 10 to 12, that is 2 hours. So in this 2 hours examination, it will be conducted for 200 marks. So there will be 100 questions of 2 marks each. So in this morning session, they are going to cover two papers. Paper 1, Economics and Management, 100 marks. Each question carrying 2 marks. That means 50 MCQs. Paper 2, Fundamentals of Accounting, 50 MCQs of 2 marks each. So total will be 100 marks. So morning session will be conducted for 200 marks. Out of this, students need to secure 50%. That means at least 100 marks. Out of these 200 marks, students must secure at least 100 marks. Now coming to afternoon session, it will be conducted from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. So paper 3 and 4 will be covered. Paper 3, Law and Ethics, 100 marks, 50 multiple choice questions of 2 marks each. Paper 4, Fundamentals of Business Mathematics and Statistics, 100 marks, 50 multiple choice questions of 2 marks each. So since it is MCQ based, any of the students can comfortably attempt, appear and qualify this exam. So this is how the CMA Foundation examination of June 2021 cycle will be conducted. Sir, is there any 100% guarantee that this exam will be conducted? Yes, because since it is a home-based exam, I don't find any challenges in conducting the exam. Hence, you can be confident that exam will be held as per the schedule, that is on 5th September 2021 itself. So I suggest all the students to prepare as per this date. And don't worry, very soon we will also upload some more videos explaining you what are the arrangements that you need to make for attempting this home-based online exam, and what are the devices and arrangements that you need to make. You need not worry, we will guide all those aspects also. So these are complete details with respect to CMA Foundation examination of June 2021 cycle. All the best.